Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you with one click, yes, no fluffing around, how to enable and disable Windows updates. Very easy, very simple. I will leave you the software below in the description. Just download it, install it. Very simple to use, just one click, very easy. Like I said, no fluffing around. Okay, let's get on with this video tutorial. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So as you can see, this is a freeware software, so it's easy, accessible on the internet, easy to download. I will leave you the link below where to get this, and this is very simple to use. I'm going to show you now my Windows update is active. As you can see, it's green with a white tick. This means my Windows update is active. I'm going to show you now, just bear with me. I'm going to disable my updates. This works for Windows 11 and 10, by the way. One click will permanently disable Windows updates. As you can see, it's a cross. I'm going to show you now to verify this. So I'm going to type in Windows updates. As you can see, an error encountered. So this means Windows updates cannot download due to the software disabling this. I am now going to enable the settings so it's active. Let me head over to Windows Updates and I will check again whether Windows Updates will be live. As you can see, it's active because I enabled that software to run updates. So ladies and gentlemen, with one click you can disable updates and enable updates. I hope this video tutorial has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one.